We have some new food for Chosen to taste test today. We got a package in from Square Baby, and let me just tell you, the names on this stuff makes me want to try it. But we're gonna let Chosen try it. Let me show y'all what we got. I'm talking so many options. And look at the names of these. Don't they almost make you want to indulge? Obviously, he can only eat one at a time. So, you want to pick? Which one you want? Also, I just realized that it tells you like what kind of protein it's made with and what else in there. This one's animal protein. Everything that's in there. Yogurt protein. Everything that's in there. And obviously, you saw plant, animal, plant. Like, how cool. We decided to try the mango chicken, and clearly he's ready to dig in.
Lord, I can finally feel your presence, so I don't have to be alone tonight. Lord, I can finally see those blessings, everything you provide. So I pray, I wait, increase my faith.
I don't think I could feed it to him fast enough. He loved it.